Welcome to the ultimate man cave on the west side of Lake of the Ozarks, where privacy meets pure fun. Tucked behind a gated entrance and offering city water and city sewer, this property is a perfect place to host game day watch parties or show off your toys and style. Welcome to 202 Hemi Lane. Whether you're here to enjoy your collection, relax with friends, or simply need more storage, this private retreat is a perfect place for it all. Give myself a call and come experience the West Side's best kept secret. Your dream man cave awaits.